Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm happy to see you. My name is Kate and here I post skincare reviews, unboxing and lifestyle videos. And as I mentioned in my two previous videos, I bought 4 self-portrait dresses recently, 3 of them from the self-portrait side and 1 of them from Saks Fifth Avenue side. And I decided to do separated videos because I just feel like that. And today I'm going to unbox the 3rd dress, which I got from self-portrait side. Again, just very shortly, why I got like this is because they had a huge sale, and if you get for more than $600, you will get additional 20% discount. Amazing, yes. Here we are, the 3rd dress. So this dress is metallic don't know how to pronounce, sorry. And chiffon midi dress. This dress is in black and white. So at first I saw this dress on Kate Middleton. I'm a huge fan of her style, and I just knew that she has this kind of dress, and I know that they didn't sell it anymore on their website, but here it is on sale. But when I saw it on the website, at first I even didn't pay attention to it because I don't know why, but on the models it looked different. Like I just scrolled down like, oh, okay. I even didn't notice it. But then I looked better and understood that this is Kate Middleton's dress. Again, I don't know why, but on the side it looked like I was scared, oh, maybe this dress will add me some age, you know, because it's like very classy or something like that. But then I remember how it looks on Kate Middleton, and on her it looks amazing. I don't know what's the difference, hairstyle, shoes or what, but it just looks different on her than on models on the sides. Though again, models all are very pretty, I don't say anything about it, I just mean it just looks different, you know. So, and when I found out this is that dress, I decided to get it. So let me show you this dress. It actually barely fits the box. It has like a jacket on top and chiffon skirt. What is surprising is that neither on the side nor on the pictures with Kate Middleton it looked shiny, but in real life, again, I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, I don't know why, but in real life it's actually very shiny, very beautiful. And I like it even more, much more than when I just saw it on the pictures. Let me show you the details very close. And I don't know why it is on sale, because I think Kate Middleton wore this dress either in 2023 or 2022. I mean, not that long ago. It's beautiful, beautiful. Interesting that this is how you wear it. I always was curious how you wear dresses like this. So this is a skirt, and you close it, zip it, and a jacket. So the skirt is just attached to the jacket. The buttons are on magnet, which I think is very convenient. Now let's open beautiful buttons. Oh, I like to do it. Then we have also buttons here. So many beautiful details. Then we have belt and these details, which can, and this pocket which consists some buttons. So this is how it looks like. I want to show you the length. It's also maxi, not midi for me, though it says it for 150 height. And this one is my absolute favorite, and also my husband's favorite. I knew it is pretty, but I didn't expect it to be that pretty. Like, it is so elegant, it is so classy, and what I was worried about is that, oh, maybe it adds some age. I don't think so at all. It's so retro, but at the same time with some modern details, just of course modern design. And how shiny it is in real life. Like the jacket part is crazy. Have small pockets here and here, so we can actually put something here. It feels also very nice, just when you wear it, feels very nice to the body. And also the size is just perfect. I like how the sleeves are perfect for my short arms. I saw a lot of people complaining about self-portrait sizes, but to be honest, for me as a short person, their sizes are perfect, because yeah, I understand that they don't have like regular size, petite size, things like this, but just size 0, it's like it's just made for me. That's why I like that. Their size just fits me so well. And again, so many options where I can wear it. For afternoon tea, for visits in the gallery or theater, or the concert, or just for some party, some event. Oh my god, I have no words about this dress, and how it shows the waist. Like, oh, I love it, I love it. So it was unboxing of the 3rd dress out of 4. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm very happy. I'm very excited, especially this dress is just no words, no words. Feel free to leave a comment below, and if you want to see more videos, more unboxing of self-portrait dresses or any other things from my channel, you can just visit my channel and check it out. Hope you have a good day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.